bathroom. So full-length mirror, which is nice. If you're getting ready, you can check out your outfit. Here's the bathroom. I really like how it has these drawers. So I just took the hairdryer out of the top drawer and moved it to the bottom, and then put all of our stuff in there so that the countertops can stay nice and clean, except for my Mai Tai. And then a nice shower. With some good size amenities. These are each two ounces. Really nice. And a nice big hallway with, I think this is a pretty big closet. So I was able to get a large suitcase in here on the stand, and then pretty much everything else. I have this big bag here for dirty clothes to take to the laundry. I put the shoes there, it fit our stroller, folded up, and also comes with 2 robes and an ironing board. We also needed a pack and play, so we requested that one be delivered to the room, and they're bringing it. We also requested a microwave, and that's being delivered to the room as well. This room has a king-size bed with a pull-out sofa. So there are other rooms that have the 2 queens, but this one has the king and the pull-out. Refrigerator in this cabinet here, and then 3 drawers, and then there's a coffee maker here, and then some extra room where I just put some snacks. So this is kind of neat. This pulls out, and it's a little coffee pot that takes these, but some extra space to put all of your snacks and things. And I got a few things that were, a microwave was needed, so that's why I ordered one of those. This is really cute. It's a spot to hang your leis. There are also some USB ports. The best part by far, look at this view. I love, love, love that it opens out to this grassy area here. This is a pool where there's somebody playing live music right now, a bar right next door. And then you can just walk out on the grass, and there's the ocean. There's the pathway. There is a sandy beach in this direction and a sandy beach in this direction. My husband and kids are at that pool right there right now. I'm gonna go meet them. Look at that. So gorgeous. Looks like we're gonna have the perfect view of the sunset as well. Wow. I just took my 1-year-old daughter out here on the grass. We did not pick the plumerias from these trees here, but we see how there are some kind of scattered around. We just found the prettiest ones and we put them in our hair, and it was just a special moment.